Hello, my name is Elizabeth Lopes, and I am a student of Professor Julian Hartman in the Child and Early Adolescent Development Psychology class at Grand Canyon University. This is the topic 4 project-based learning assignment, and the title of this lesson is Getting to Safety in Case of a Fire, What is the Best Way? The objective is that students will make a fire exit route for their school using research skills and measurement concepts. The students will gather input from various resources and experts, and then they will present their fire exit routes to the class. The grade level that I have written this for is 2nd grade, and the subjects it's covering are ELA and math. The key concepts are measurement, fire safety, communication, and creativity skills. The Bloom's taxonomy learning theories that we will be using are understanding, because these students need to understand the need for fire safety. They will also analyze the current school plans to find areas for improvement. They will evaluate their designs based on feedback from the local firefighters. And finally, they will create a detailed and practical fire exit plan, which they will present to others, demonstrating their higher order thinking skills. This lesson will span, this project-based learning lesson will span across 14 days. And on day 1, I will ask the student questions to understand what they know about fire safety and why it is important. And I will also form the class into groups. So there's 15 students in my 2nd grade class, and I will make 5 groups of 3 students. I will also explain to the students that each group has 3 jobs. The jobs are researcher, designer, and presenter. So that takes care of day 1. And then on day 2 is research and planning. So the teams will research fire safety guidelines using books, websites, and videos. They will gather information on effective exit routes and the importance of clear, accessible paths. And we will also arrange for our questions that we want to ask to the local firefighter when they arrive, so we will have those already prepared. On day 4 and 5, we will be designing the fire exit routes. So we will ensure routes include the designated meeting points. We will take a tour of the school, and we will incorporate measurement, having the students calculate the distances and use the appropriate units of measurement. We will also teach them how to scale their maps properly. So they will measure and map out key locations in the school using rulers and measuring tapes. On day 7 and 8, they will be creating their visual presentations. They will finalize their fire exit route drawings, ensuring they are clear and labeled correctly. They will use colored pencils or markers to highlight the key areas and paths, and they will practice their presentations. On day 9, we will have the local firefighter visit the class and evaluate and give feedback to the students. And it will be also very exciting because they'll learn a lot about what the firefighters do to help us remain safe and what to look out for in case of an emergency. On day 10, day 11 and 12, we will be doing reflection and revision. So the teams will review feedback from their presentations of what they received from the firefighters, and they will incorporate that into their presentations. And then they will also discuss what they learned and how they can improve their designs. And then on day 13, the class will be presenting their presentations. Then on day 14 is the assessment. So at this time, I will use a rubric to assess the students' fire exit routes based on clarity, accuracy, and their measurement concepts and overall presentation. I will provide individual and team feedback on their work collaboration for their grade. And by the end of the project, the students should have a clear understanding about fire safety and have created detailed practical fire exit routes that demonstrate their understanding of fire safety as well as their ability to apply research and measurement into a public speaking presentation. Thank you.